Mozilla is growing pretty quickly. We're operating in over 20 countries right now with 5 different international subsidiaries. We just hit 600 people. Before we started on Intact in the fall of 2005, we were like any other classic startup. We were using QuickBooks. I'm a big believer of automating everything you can do to automate things. And it was just pretty clear that QuickBooks was not going to scale to the growth that we were looking at. So I needed a system that could scale, that could grow. And I wanted one that was in the cloud, accessible, that worked the way the future was coming, so we chose Intact. I think we have to demystify cloud, because cloud really is just a different place for that software to live. There's nothing magical about it. It's still a piece of software, but being in the cloud actually provides, I think, a greater sense of security, because the company surrounding that, that piece of software like Intact, that is their lifeblood. On-premise, this is just another piece of software from the finance department that the IT department has to maintain. What we found with Intact was it was pretty straightforward. It was pretty intuitive. One of the easier, the most important parts of Intact versus other pieces of software that I have installed and implemented is the real-time feedback. You can see what you did right, you can see what you did wrong on a real-time basis. It's pretty powerful. You are getting rid of manual processes, you are getting rid of paper. The transaction time has gone down 2 to 3x per transaction. So where it used to take 15 to 20 minutes per transaction, we're looking at 5 to 10 minutes now. If you have 1,000 transactions a month, which we do, and you multiply that by the number of years, you're on the magnitude of 2,000 to 3,000 hours a year of savings. 2,000 hours is one full-time person. So we're up in the 1 to 1.5, possibly 2 annual person savings if you factor in all the managers who were saving their time. So there's a tremendous amount of productivity savings by using online systems like Intact. So as I look back, I'm really glad we made the decision to go with a very robust online cloud-based accounting solution like Intact, because we are moving rapidly internationally. So Intact will grow with us, and I'm really excited that we're partners together.